Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe that just speaks comfort food. I don't know about you, but listen, I love me some comfort food. And I'm just going to show you an easy shortcut when you're craving some stroganoff and you ain't got time to wait for all that beef. We're going to just do some hamburger stroganoff. It's so good. It's easy, and as you see, just a little bit of just a few ingredients which we like. We got some onion and garlic, of course the noodles, the hamburger meat, some sour cream, and some good old cream of mushroom, some flour, and some broth. And you could really even eliminate this and just use your flour. So let's get started on getting this cooked. Alright, we'll start with our little hamburger meat. I don't know if y'all do this, but I always freeze my hamburger meat. I'll put it in the bag and just flatten it out real flat, so when you go to defrost it, it's easy to do. But just a little tip there if you don't do that. And so we're going to get this stirred up in here. Now you can leave this, some little chunks in this if you want to. You don't have to do this and exactly just smooth. I'm just gonna keep some big pieces in there, just like so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my onion in and my garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and do that so that can just cook down together and just get happy and become real friendly. All right. I've got about a tablespoon of freshly minced garlic. You can certainly eliminate this or put garlic powder, whatever floats your boat. But I think that fresh garlic, it just does something. All right, we want to get these onions in here. Let my favorite little chopper do all the work. And I'm going to turn this on high. We're going to go ahead and start boiling this because y'all, this is really a pretty quick recipe. It does not take that long. But I want my noodles to be ready when we're ready for it. We don't want to be waiting on no noodles, right? No. Alright, I'm not going to put a whole lot of salt in here because I've also got some beef broth here. Not going to use that much of it. Now, like I was saying before, you don't have to use the cream of mushroom. You can just make your gravy and use this beef stock, and it'll be very flavorful. So, I just like the little bits of mushroom and stuff, and mushrooms is really good in this as well. Some fresh mushrooms. It's delicious. But I'm going to sprinkle with just a little bit of salt. And of course a little pepper. We want this to be seasoned really good. Yummy, yummy. Alright. Still got my little, still got fairly big sized pieces in here. It's not terrible. Use my fork, y'all know how I do. Just going to move this around, get this browned a little bit. Just like so. Now I'm not going to drain this. I'm just going to use, this is a pretty lean meat. So I'm not going to have a whole lot of grease from it. But I am going to use that little bit of natural hamburger grease to make my gravy for it. Because this, with stroganoff, you want it to be a good gravy. Alright, this is cooking up pretty quick. My pots are boiling for my noodles. I'm going to add a little salt in here. You want to salt your water, y'all. Salt and season your water. And this is just the big old hearty home-style egg noodles, but you can use whatever kind you like. I like those big wide ones. That's just me personally. That's what I like for it. I'm just gonna give them some love. Let them boil and get pretty tender. You really can do this as a one pot. You can add more broth and just let it all simmer in a big old stock pot so your noodles and everything cooks as one. And if I was to do that, I would go ahead and cook all of my gravy and just add more beef stock to it to cook them noodles down. Here we go. It's still just a little pink, so I'm just going to let this cook for just a few minutes, and when it's done, I will show you the next step. Alright, y'all, the noodles is boiling away. My beef here is done pretty much. I'm going to add some onion powder and some garlic powder in here, just for some extra flavor. Why not? Give this a little stir. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add some flour in here. You normally want to add about as much flour as you got grease, but we'll start with about 3 tablespoons of flour. Remember, if you've heard me say this once, I say it all the time, you want to cook that flour taste down. So we're going to cook this just a little bit before we start adding our other little goodies in here. Look how thick it's already getting. It just absorbed that grease up. Smelling good, ain't it, Russell? Good stuff.
I'm telling you, man, that garlic and onion is like the best smell flavor. And, I mean, it's just,
I need a little candle. Fool somebody, make you think you're cooking something good. Yeah, they
smell that, they be like, what we eating?
Yeah, now I have hands of steel, y'all. I'm just testing.
She does. Don't do what she does, y'all.
Don't do as I do.
Don't do what she does.
No,
for real.
I can just dig right in and get stuff.
I don't know. I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, my kids even say that. They're like, Mommy, you can take hot biscuits right out of the oven with your hands. But I don't do that. But I can take them right off the pan while they're hot.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do it. It's frowned upon.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to open up my cream of mushroom. Thank God for some Campbell's. I'm telling you, it is so good. Now you could skip Campbell's. You can just go in straight with the beef broth if you don't have it. But like I said, I just like the little mushrooms. I like all the flavors.
Little added flavors.
Little added flavors. It's not wanting to come out my little thingy here. So we're gonna outsmarten it. I'll go in here and get all this goodness out because y'all know I don't like wasting nothing. There we go. And just give this a little pour right on over. Now I have 1 cup of broth. Just some beef broth. You can use it store-bought. You can make your own. You can have your own. With some beef broth. And my beef broth is seasoned, so and the cream of mushroom has some salt in it too. So you don't want to over season that meat right off. I'm going to just pour the rest of this in there as well. We'll let this simmer down.
Boy, it's smelling good, y'all.
And get right, okay? It's gonna be good. All right, while this is simmering, I'm gonna drain my noodles because, honey, we're getting close. This is almost done. What, 10 minutes that I've been cooking, so quick and easy, y'all. This is a good, not only budget friendly, but quick for you nights when you want something quick for supper. Okay, y'all, the last step, stroganoff, one of the main ingredients is sour cream, and we're not going to forget that. And our little Hamburger Stroganoff, so I'm going to put about a ½ cup of sour cream in here. Or just lead with your heart, honey. If it tells you a little more, just do it. Just do it. So we're going to stir this in here. Give it that creamy consistency. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. Quick and easy stroganoff. And this is some good comfort food, I'm telling you. Ain't nothing that comforts my soul more than some pasta. So I'm gonna let this, well, I'm just gonna stir it up. I've got my little noodles y'all ready to go. We just wanna stir it real good. This is always the last step for some stroganoff, right? Here we go. I think it's all stirred in there good. Look at there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. On these noodles she's going. Look how good. Just delicious. Yummy. You don't even really need a side. But you can put your little vegetable on there, some garlic toast or something, and look, you got supper that quick. All right, Russell, you ready to?
I'm ready.
Dig in, give it a little taste.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, just that quick. I have supper ready, and Russ is ready to taste it. He's ready to dig in. So come on, Russell. Taste this good old hamburger stroganoff.
I like it.
Yes, me too.
I think I like the hamburger better than the beef.
I do.
You know, the
do.
texture, I don't know.
I do.
Beef stroganoff's good, but
Yes.
yeah, I'm a
it's
fan of this
cheaper,
one.
too.
Oh, it's good.
Hamburger meat's cheaper. Of course, everything's so high now, but hamburger
It
is
is.
a little cheaper than the steak.
Look at that.
Mm-mm.
It's piping, you know.
You don't need
I'm
nothing
gonna do a
else
little.
on it. It is hot.
Fantastic.
That flavor is really good.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Creamy.
Mm-hmm. All comes together. That sour cream just pulls it all in, just gives it a big old love. Like, mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a must in the
It
ingredient.
is.
Yeah.
That tops it off and just makes it perfect.
Mm-hmm.
It really does.
Budget friendly, y'all.
It is. And like I said, you don't have to use that cream and mushroom, just as some flour and some beef stock. You can even use flour and water and use your little bouillon in there.
Yeah.
Just as good. Just as good.
We like quick and easy.
Yep. And if you're feeding a crowd,
Yeah.
you're
You can make a
feeding
big old
crowd,
pot. That's right.
You can make a big old pot, and you can also mix the noodles into the one pot, so it makes the dish even bigger and spread.
Yeah.
So we had a lot of kids, so we
Oh, yeah, we
know
know about
all
that.
about
We do.
stretching them
Yeah.
recipes.
Mhm.
Okay,
That's a problem now. We cook. she don't know how to cook for two
had to
people.
scale it down. So
Yeah,
we
it's
eat
hard to do. It really
leftovers.
is when you're used to cooking for a big crowd.
Yeah.
Big old boys that love to eat too. They
Hit some
dialing
hit-
it back is
Some heavy hitters.
yeah. They are. They don't play, y'all. They don't play.
But yeah, so we have leftovers. We have
Yeah, we do.
lunch.
That's right. Yep.
We don't
waste.
We don't waste
We don't
it.
waste. Nope.
We don't waste it. So, but this is really an easy and a good one to try if you're just
Yes.
looking for something quick and easy.
Or if you're new to cooking and
yeah,
want
beginner.
something, yeah, great recipe for somebody
It
just
really
starting to learn to
is.
cook. It really is. You know, not a whole lot of ingredients. It's not hard to do. You can make this, and whoever you're cooking for will be very happy with it. Give it a try. Yeah.
It's good. But anyway, y'all, just quick and easy comfort food today. If y'all have any ideas that you would like to see me try, throw them out there.
Yeah, put them in the comments.
Put
Y'all
'em
know we love the comments. We love
Yes,
the interaction.
we do. Love the feedback.
Yes.
But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching and just loving on
Yeah,
us.
we appreciate
it.
Every bit of it.
Every little bit of it.
Mm-hmm.
And until next time,